What was the catalyst that brought you into the trading world, and what made you decide to automate the strategies?
I think the catalyst was number one, liquidity. So I was investing a lot in real estate. I was investing in different companies that were great. These were good options for me at the time, but I really wanted something that was more liquid. Like, I like to move fast. I like to be involved in a lot of different things and kind of keep my creativity moving. And what I was doing, the asset classes that I was investing in did not allow me to do that. So the catalyst was, I'd say, speed and liquidity for one. Then it's just fun, man. So trading in general, like, it's new every day. There's a different challenge every single day. You can make a lot of money, which is great,
Right.
but it's just exciting. It's not the same mundane thing over and over and over and over again. So that's kind of the catalyst that got me into it. And then what's kept me into it and really propelled me forward from a cash flow standpoint was moving to the automations. So you've met them, crazy little boys running around,
Yeah.
Those boys want their dad all the time. They want to hang out, they want to play, they want to go to the car show, they want to, hang out in the hot rods, do the whole thing.
Yep.
And if I'm trading all day, that really puts a damper on it. So I tried doing like the Asian session, like, I'll just like trade late at night,
Right.
and that was, I tried the London session, but then I was sleeping all morning, and then it just,
A lot of work.
yeah, so the idea of automations came from, like, how do I continue to live this lifestyle, and how do I continue to do what I like when I want to, but give me the freedom to, like, spend more time with the kids.
Hence the automated strategy.
Yeah, and it took us, and we did multiple versions of it. We've kind of dove in with both feet and kind of figured it out as we've gone, but man, there's something about being able to create, like, truly create passive income and cash flow that you control.
Right.
There's something magical about that.
It's like a deep breath.
It is. It really is. And we've attracted hundreds of people at this point. Probably coming up on 1,000 people that have been involved in this journey, that have seen that of, man, I love real estate, or I love blank, but it's just not liquid, and it's really not passive.
Right. There's a lot of work involved in real estate. Absolutely.
So that's where it came from, man. And then I think where it's headed is a whole new layer of creativity for me, which for me, that's dopamine. Like, being able to create and just build. I was like little. It was all like remember like those Lincoln Logs and, like,
Absolutely.
It was just building, dude.
Yeah.
Just using my imagination 24/7. And it's cool watching my kids kind of do the same thing. So with automations, man, it's like unlimited building potential.
Right.
Yes, you can scale. Yes, you can do whatever you want. But I want to just continue to build and see how many of these things we can create. I want one that's like a scalper. I want one that's doing like the monthly chart.
Right.
Just hitting these passive income, corridors from different positions and different ideas.
Right.
Does that make sense?
It does. It does. I like it.
How many you want?
All of them.
All of
How
them.
many you offer?
All of them. All of it. No, it's a good question.
Sold.
Does that all make sense?
Yeah.
Cool.